the breakdown of the type of membership as of June 2011, 62% are associate members. 37% are regular members. Next buy type investment offering of KSK Co-op is direct co-ownership in KMP Foods. KMP Foods is the franchisee of a Chowking restaurant in One Mango, Cebu. Currently, all co-op members are co-owners of KMP Foods because KSK Co-op owns 12.5% of KMP Foods. So, miski na kayo na bagong pasok pa lang, kasama na po kayo sa owners ng KMP Foods because KSK Co-op owns 12.5% of KMP Foods. The rest are shown on the screen. 62% are owned by individual KSK Co-op members. Meaning, dahil sa KSK Co-op, this 62 members or about 110 members directly participated in co-owning KMP Foods. They are directly co-owners of the Chowking One Mango, Cebu. 6.25% is under the name or owned by Francisco Colayco. Another 6.25% by another co-op member, Teresa Balbuena. And 12.5% by a company, Alliance in Motion Global, a strategic partner of KSK Co-op for this KMP Foods endeavor. The performance of your KMP Foods running Chowking in One Mango, Cebu are the following. The first 6 months, you can see on the second column the gross sales in a month, the number of days for the particular month on the third column, and the average gross sales a day for that particular month. If you notice, on a positive note, nag-i-increase monthly ang percentage growth of gross sales a day. The last 6 months, as of end of August 2011, still noteworthy ang pag-grow. Though there are 2 months na medyo may maliit na decline, but there is a big increase noong July 2011. Average gross sales per day, the past 12 months or the first year of operation is 63,200 average gross sales a day. Other projects under study by KMP Foods right now are the following. Probably expansion and not only of branches but in partnership with the Jollibee Food Corporation. Seriously studying Jollibee, Mang Inasal, or Red Ribbon, either to be placed inside Chowking One Mango or coming up with a new branch. These are the new projects that are under study under KMP Foods. When these studies, feasibility studies are available, again, this will be available for direct co-ownership exclusive for KSK Co-op members. Because currently, if you are just a new member and would want to co-own or directly participate in Chowking One Mango, closed na po siya. So you are to await for the next projects of KMP Foods, which are shown on the screen, if indeed we are to push through with them. The third buy type of investment is the acquisition of a rural bank by KSK Co-op. KSK Co-op, last year, 15th of March, acquired the Rural Bank of Cavite City. It's a bank that was established 1956 and bought for 6.5 million pesos. At the time of acquisition, this is the value of Rural Bank of Cavite City. The value you see below the screen, 36.6 million. This Rural Bank of Cavite City is open for direct participation in co-owning the bank. Why would you be interested in co-owning a bank with your KSK Co-op? First, the ROPA or the properties na nasanla o na under sa bangko na narimata niya na at maririmata niya at inaayos ang papeles, it has a market value of 40 million with a book value of only a little over 8 million. Meaning, if mabebenta na natin ang ating ROPA o yung mga properties na nasanla sa atin, masasabing meron ng income ang Rural Bank of Cavite City. Second, yung Rural Bank of Cavite City has been approved to have an increase in its capitalization, authorized capital, to as much as 100 million pesos by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. It has been approved, it has been given approval to have a change of name. Right now, as we speak, as we have this webinar, the new name of the bank is Own Bank, One Wealthy Nation, the Rural Bank of Cavite City, to make it more attractive and to have a pitch wherein the bank is co-owned by no other than OFWs, former OFWs, or family members of OFWs. That is why it is but natural that the business model of Own RBCC is to be a major depository bank of OFWs, offering remittance services and then hopefully forex services and financial services like special situation loans for its owners and its market overseas Filipino workers. We are concretizing or coming up with loan products or loan facility for those who want to get into franchises and a tie-up with AFI, Association of Filipino Franchisers Incorporated, and the Philippine Franchisers Association. The projected ROI is 7 years to 10 years. Meaning, kung kayo po ay co-owner, naglagak kayo ng pera para maging co-owner ng Own RBCC, ang projection po, mabalik ang inyong pera 7 years to 10 years. Kung maganda ang panahon, ang performance within 7 years. Medyo moderate, about 8 or 9, and conservative, 10 years. Next steps for Own RBCC are the following. You see it on the screen. Pero maaaring tinatanong nyo po, paano ako magiging co-owner ng Own RBCC? Uulitin ko po, co-owner, hindi depositor. Para maging co-owner ng Own RBCC, katulad ng 118 members who are participated so far as of September 8, 2011, minimum placement for co-ownership is 50,000 pesos. Again, hindi po ito deposit. Ito po ay kapital nyo para maging kasama sa mga nagmamay-ari ng Own RBCC. Yung 50,000 nyo ay walang fixed, guaranteed, insured return. Kung hindi, may projection na bumalik sa inyo anywhere from 7 to 10 years. Kung 7 years, that will be about 14% a year, or 10 years, about 10% a year.